Get up. Please get up. Oh my god, you are so lazy. Get up! Wake up! I have to poop! Fine. I'll shit on your pillow next time. Wait, are we back at the house already? That was like a 2-minute walk. Nope. You, I'm gonna sit right here. I'm not moving. You'll have to carry all 95 pounds of me. Nope, not going. Keep pulling the leash, idiot. Nope, not going. Nope, nope. Tug harder, maybe it'll work. No, no, no! Yeah, go ahead, fake throw it. Ooh, good one, you got me. Good thing you didn't throw it, dipshit, because you would have had to go get it. Oh God, here he comes. No, please God, no. Why does he do this to me? How long is he gonna do this? Just go to a happy place. He's still touching me with his grimy fingers. Please God, make him stop. Stop! Okay, that's enough. Get off. Oh God, he's at it again. Why can't you just give it to me? I'm not a circus animal. Just throw it! What is this? Give me the aux cord.